Welcome to HR Assured's HRA Cloud. HRA Cloud is the people management platform that businesses use to take care of compliance and create culture. It is a cloud-based software that you can use to manage your people throughout all stages of the employment lifecycle. It is important that you familiarize yourself with the system to ensure that you can get the most out of HRA Cloud. When you are logged into HRA Cloud, you will always be logged into a module. HRA Cloud's modules are the Employee Management module, Contractor module, Work Health and Safety module, and Volunteer Management module. You are generally logged into the Employee Management module by default. Whichever module you are logged in, on the left-hand side will be highlighted. Your user access permissions determine which modules you are permitted to view, manage, and control. It is recommended that you contact your HRA Cloud administrator if you cannot see or access the modules you need. Each module is organized into 3 key stages that represent each stage of the module lifecycle. For example, the stages for employee management are pre-employment, employee management, and termination. These buttons provide access to the corresponding checklists, which are designed to guide you in carrying out relevant HR processes from start to finish. These checklists are drafted by our employment lawyers to ensure that your business is compliant and meets best practice standards at all stages throughout the employment lifecycle. All actions completed whilst working through a checklist are automatically stored against the employee record. Tabs. Each module contains a set of feature tabs, each one of them serving a different purpose. The name of each tab indicates the type of information and functions available. For example, some tabs, like Employees or Candidates, list records. Some hold documents, like General Docs or Policies tab. Some show tasks or approvals to be completed. And others simply provide you with a library of employment law resources, like the National Employment Standards under a Library and Awards. Within each module, employees and their documents are organized in a structure made up of branches. They are set up to match your organizational structure. For example, usually it reflects your regional structure, cost center structure, or job types. If you've been granted access to more than one branch, you can use the branch locator to navigate between them. Your user access permissions determine which branches you are permitted access. It is recommended you contact your HRA Cloud administrator if you cannot access the branches you need. Search options. To locate a specific employee record or company document, for example, go to the relevant tab and use the search box. Untick and tick the search filters as you need. These search capabilities are available throughout the HRA Cloud and enable you to filter by document name, branch, sub-branch, and currency of record, for example. HRA Cloud helps you stay organized and proactively manage important and upcoming dates and tasks. Tasks are created when adding a note against an employee or candidate record. Tasks are also created in the process of completing a checklist. Under Tasks, you'll find a list of the tasks assigned to you. Clicking on the title of the task will open up the task. Here you can run the most appropriate actions, such as completing, reassigning to another manager, updating it, or reviewing its history. HRA Clouds makes HR simple. We will keep you up to date on any changes to Australia's or New Zealand's employment laws. Keep an eye out to the notice board, as it will be regularly updated on workplace relations, information alerts, newsletters, and updates. It is found on the right-hand side of your screen. If you're seeking workplace relations advice, if you need to seek advice about any information contained within the notice board or any aspect of our employment law templates and checklists, you can contact the HR Advice Line by calling the number displayed on the top left. In fact, using both the HR Advice Line and the HRA Cloud together is a powerful combination. Together, they will make you feel safe and secure, knowing that you're legally compliant, your people are being looked after, and your information is secure in the cloud. Now let's look at an employee record. HRA Cloud makes record keeping easy and compliant. Each record has its own secure virtual HR file. You need to ensure that all the HR data for your people is kept current and up to date in the system throughout all stages of the employee lifecycle. And don't worry, employees are not allowed to see any sensitive elements in their own employee record. The employee screen contains a set of important tabs, each with a specific function. The name of each tab shows the sort of information and functions that are available under it. Depending on the customization of your account or the different integrations in place, you might see a slightly different list of tabs that are shown here. Under the Details tab, this stores all of the employee's personal information, emergency contact information, and organizational details. Under Documents, this tab stores all the relevant HR documentation relating to the employees. Users can upload documents here using the Upload a New Document button. You can also create new HR letters drafted by our employment lawyers by clicking on the Create a New Document button. The Notes tab. This tab stores important details such as work-related changes, emails sent out to the employees via the system, reminders, and observations about the employee's performance. Objectives and Development. This tab stores an employee's short and long-term personal and professional objectives. This can be identified during a performance review or at any stage during the employee's lifecycle at your business. This tab, Checklists, will show all the checklists that were launched at any stage during an employee's lifestyle. And Alerts. This tab is stored all the key dates and alerts relating to the employee. That's all for now. We know you'll enjoy using HRA Cloud. Thank you.